Financial literacy is the knowledge and understanding of financial concepts, tools, and resources that are necessary for making informed and effective decisions regarding money. In today's complex financial world, financial literacy is more important than ever. That's why in this video, we'll discuss 6 reasons why it's crucial for everyone to develop financial literacy skills. Welcome to Smart Investing, where we talk about all things related to personal finance and investing. 1. It helps you make informed decisions. One of the primary reasons why financial literacy is important is that it helps you make informed decisions about your finances. When you understand financial concepts such as budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management, you can make more informed decisions that align with your long-term financial goals. 2. Empowers you to take control of your finances. Financial literacy also empowers you to take control of your finances. When you understand how money works and how to manage it effectively, you can take charge of your financial situation and make positive changes to improve your financial well-being. 3. Protects you from financial scams and fraud. Another reason why financial literacy is important is that it can protect you from financial scams and fraud. When you understand financial concepts and are able to spot red flags, you can avoid scams and protect yourself from financial fraud. 4. Increases your earning potential. Financial literacy can also increase your earning potential. When you understand financial concepts such as investing and saving, you can make better decisions that can lead to higher earnings over time. Additionally, having strong financial literacy skills can make you more attractive to potential employers as it demonstrates your ability to manage money effectively. 5. Builds financial security. When you have a solid understanding of financial concepts and how to manage your money effectively, you can build wealth over time and create a more secure financial future for yourself and your family. 6. Enables you to plan for the future. Financial literacy is also important for planning for the future. When you understand financial concepts such as retirement savings and estate planning, you can make informed decisions about how to plan for your future financial needs. This can help you achieve your long-term financial goals and ensure that you're prepared for whatever the future holds. That concludes our discussion on why financial literacy is important. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful. Please leave a like to let us know and comment down what you want us to discuss next. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.